everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to write on both sides of a Word document, as well as align the text on the left and right side that are both on the same line. So basically, if you want to create multiple columns and then have centered or left indented or right indented text within each respective column. That's what today's tutorial is going to cover. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do first is make sure you have the ruler bar in the ribbon bar. So if you don't see that, or should appear right underneath the ribbon bar, you can select the View tab up at the top and then check mark where it says Ruler. So now you want to go ahead and right click in the ruler where you want to create the new column or you want to separate the text. And that's all you should have to do in order to create that. So then you also would have to tap the tab key on your keyboard once you've located wherever you want to start typing. So here is an example. And you could just keep doing that. But again, you have to make sure you're under the tab key in order to have it offset. So if you want to have it offset to the right or to the center, you just would go ahead inside of this area in here and you can select if you want to have it centered. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.